Are you looking to dive into real estate without the massive upfront investment of property ownership? Many believe real estate requires owning properties, but a world of lucrative side hustles exists that don't demand such capital. These opportunities allow you to leverage your skills and time to generate significant income, often with minimal startup costs. Today, we'll explore several real estate side hustles perfect for individuals interested in earning extra income and building wealth. First up is wholesaling, a strategy where you find distressed properties, secure them under contract, and then assign that contract to another investor for a fee. You're essentially acting as a middleman, connecting motivated sellers with eager buyers without ever taking ownership of the property yourself. Earning potential can range from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars per deal, depending on the property and market. Startup requirements are low, primarily needing marketing materials and a strong network. Time commitment varies, but successful wholesalers dedicate several hours a week to lead generation and networking. Key skills include negotiation, market analysis, and effective communication. Legal considerations involve understanding contract law and disclosure requirements in your state. Next, we have bird dogging, which is essentially finding potential deals for investors and getting a finder's fee. This is a simpler version of wholesaling, often involving less paperwork and commitment. Finder's fees typically range from $500 to $5,000 per successful lead. Startup costs are minimal, mainly requiring a keen eye for potential properties and good communication skills. Time commitment can be flexible, making it ideal for those with limited spare time. Skills needed include observation, basic market knowledge, and networking ability. Legal considerations are less complex than wholesaling, but still require honesty and clear agreements with investors. Real estate photography is another excellent side hustle, especially if you have a good camera and an eye for detail. You'll capture stunning images of properties for real estate agents and sellers, helping them attract buyers. Earning potential ranges from $150 to $500 per shoot, depending on your experience and the property size. Startup requirements include a quality camera, lenses, and editing software. Time commitment involves shooting on-site and post-processing, which can be flexible around your schedule. Skills needed are photography expertise, editing proficiency, and client communication. Legal considerations are minimal, mainly focusing on clear service agreements with clients. Airbnb rental arbitrage involves leasing a property and then subletting it on platforms like Airbnb for a higher rate. You profit from the difference between your long-term lease payment and the short-term rental income. Earning potential can be substantial, often hundreds to thousands of dollars per month per property. Startup requirements include securing a lease that permits subletting, furnishing the property, and marketing. Time commitment involves managing bookings, cleaning, and guest communication. Skills needed are property management, customer service, and marketing. Legal considerations are crucial, including lease agreements, local zoning laws, and short-term rental regulations. Property management for others involves overseeing rental properties on behalf of owners. Your responsibilities can include tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance coordination, and financial reporting. Earning potential is typically a percentage of the monthly rent, often 8 to 12% per property. Startup requirements are low, mainly needing organizational skills and a professional demeanor. Time commitment can be significant, especially with multiple properties, requiring good time management. Skills needed include organization, problem solving, and strong communication. Legal considerations involve understanding landlord-tenant laws and property management regulations. Finally, becoming a part-time real estate agent allows you to earn commissions on property sales or rentals. You guide clients through buying, selling, or leasing properties, leveraging your market knowledge. Earning potential is commission-based, meaning your income directly correlates with your sales volume. Startup requirements include obtaining a real estate license, which involves coursework and an exam. Time commitment can be significant, especially when building your client base, but offers flexibility once established. Skills needed are sales, negotiation, client relations, and market expertise. Legal considerations are extensive, governed by state real estate laws and ethical guidelines. Networking is crucial for all these hustles. Attend local real estate investor meetings, join online forums, and connect with agents and brokers. Building relationships can open doors to opportunities you might not find otherwise. For complete beginners, bird dogging or real estate photography are excellent starting points. They require minimal upfront investment and provide valuable exposure to the real estate market. No matter which path you choose, continuous learning and adapting to market changes are key to long-term success. These real estate side hustles offer incredible potential to build wealth and achieve financial independence without property ownership. Start exploring these options today and unlock your potential in the dynamic world of real estate.